Posting content is hard, but do you know what's even harder? Posting content as a busy CEO or founder. So in this video, I want to run you through exactly how you can post as a busy CEO and founder and save 10 plus hours a week when posting content. And if you don't know who I am, my name's James, owner of Magnify Your Content Media. I build content systems for founders and CEOs like you to save them time and also scale their business. And if you want my social proof, check out the first link in the description, scroll down and you can see a bunch of clients' results. But anyway, let's get into the video. So here's what most businesses do when they post content. They have a schedule, they have everything like that, maybe they don't. What they tend to do is film content every day, come up with content ideas every single day and post manually every day. And this is wasting a bunch of time. And you need that time so you can work on needle moving activities within your business, so you can create more content, so you can train team members, so you can do whatever you need to do, but you're wasting that time on literally manually posting. So here's what you can do instead. Now, I want to show you first, I'm not going to show you how to batch ideas, how to batch film. I want to show you how to batch post. So what you should have is a schedule. You should have a schedule. You should know when your team members, no status idea, scripting ready to film, sent to editors and ready to post, and posted/scheduled. So you should have this. You should know exactly when your post is going to go out, when you've scheduled it for, if it's been scripted or if you need to film it. And this is what we give to all of our clients, is a content dashboard, so they know exactly when they need to film things, so they know exactly what's going on, so they're in the process 24/7. But they only have to look at it to see what's going on. So that's the first thing I wanted to speak about. You need a schedule. You need to know when you need to post certain things, when you need to film it, and you shouldn't be doing it every single day. You should be doing it once a month, 2 times a month, or even 3 to 4 times a month. That's what you should be doing. You shouldn't be coming up with ideas every single day. You shouldn't be filming content every day. This way you're going to get burnt out. You're going to come up with content ideas, post those ideas. They're not going to do well, and then you're going to get demotivated. But that's because you're doing it every single day, so you can't come up with good ideas, you can't come up with good posts. So you need to do it 2 to 3 times a month, I would say, for me anyway. I do it once a week, and this is optimal for me because I post around 5 times a week on Instagram. But this is how you can schedule your content out. So this is going to save you a lot of time as well. What a lot of people do is they post manually, and they shouldn't be doing that. So first I want to speak about how to come up with a description. So what I do is I have a ChatGPT prompt that just comes up with a description for me. So basically the prompt's something like, I'm posting on Instagram, TikTok, and whatever you're posting on. So I would stick to Instagram. I'm posting on Instagram. Can you create me a search engine optimized description for my video? And then you've got to insert a script, and then say make sure to add keywords in that people are using within the industry. So for me, within the content marketing industry, or people are searching up within the content marketing industry, whatever your industry is, business coaching, fitness coaching, agency, whatever you're doing, put that in and it will give you these kind of descriptions. So as you can see here's a description. Descriptions don't matter as much, and hashtags don't really matter at all. Even Instagram CEO said that. But you can do that. You can copy and paste it, and then just copy and paste it into the description. But here's how to actually schedule it. So what you're going to do is go to your Meta Business Suite, and this is for Instagram. You want to go to your Meta Business Suite because this is where you can plan everything out, and you're not using a third-party app. Because if you use a third-party app, apparently, and I'm not 100% sure here, but I'm pretty sure it affects views. But on Meta Business Suite it doesn't, because it's linked with Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so you're going to go to your Meta Business Suite, and then you want to go down to Planner. And when you're you can either click on here, so bulk upload reels, create reel, create post. When you bulk upload, it only seems to upload to Facebook for some reason, so I want bulk upload. But what you can do is go to your schedule, you can click on here, and you can say create a reel. So you're going to go here, you're going to add a video. So whatever, this one here, I'm going to add this one. I guarantee if you follow this appointment, I'm going to get rid of the sound. You could see the Facebook preview, the Instagram preview. It's going to upload. Let me put myself a bit smaller. It's going to upload, as you can see here. It's taking its time, but while you're doing that, you can literally simply go here and copy and paste this in. Go here, paste, paste and match style. Then you can choose what frame you want the thumbnail to be. So if you have a separate thumbnail for your things, you can upload it here, but I just use a choose suggested. Thumbnails don't matter as much. Like the main goal is to go out to new people, and the way you're going to do that is by when they're swiping on Reels, so they're not really going to see the thumbnail anyway. So as you can see, it's uploaded. And then you can also let it check for copyrighted content. Most of the time it's not copyrighted, but if you have, you can wait and see what that does. But you're going to press next. This is already done, so you're going to press next again. Then you're going to go to, you can either share now, but again we want to know how to schedule, so you're going to go schedule, and then you can schedule whenever you want. So let's just say, for example, I know I'm posting this reel on Friday. I can go to the 14th and I can pick what time I want to upload it at 7 o'clock at night, 1911. And then what you can do, make sure it's on public. You can add anything like this, but then what you're going to do is press schedule. And what you're going to notice is once you go to your scheduling page, your planner, they're going to be scheduled out. So for example, for me, today is the 11th, right? Yeah, I've got 2 videos scheduled out, so one for 2:41 and one for 7:11. And if you wonder why I'm putting like really random times, it's because if someone posts at, let's just say 7 o'clock on the dot, most people post at that time, so you want to post at a time where hardly anyone's posting. So for example, 7:11, it's a really random time. People aren't going to post, of course, but most people won't. They stick to the time that's like 7 o'clock. And the reason why I picked 2 o'clock here, 2:41, is because if you go to your Instagram like analytics, you can actually see when your followers are online. And what you want to do is make sure you actually see when your followers are online. I can't do it on the PC, I don't think. But on your phone, you can go to professional dashboard, total followers, and then you can scroll down and see when your followers are most active. You want to post at least 20 to 30 minutes before your followers are most active, because then people are going to interact straight away, leading your videos to be pushed out to more people. But this is how you can schedule your content out. You can do another one, create reel, add it, caption, next, schedule, etc. Okay, so this is going to save you at least 10 hours a week. I would say 5 to 10 hours a week, because it does take time. It adds up, okay, when you're posting videos on each platform and you're also posting every single day. It adds up, okay, and it takes a bit of time to manually post. So this is how to schedule your content out. And yeah, you're in Meta Business Suite. You've got to go to Meta Business Suite. You've got to log in. And yeah, really as simple as this. You shouldn't be ideating every day, you shouldn't be scripting every day, you shouldn't be filming every day, and you shouldn't be posting every day. You should do it in a batch and schedule everything out. And yeah, this is how to do it. It's really as simple as that, okay? And if you want this all done for you, if you want us to come up with a strategy for you, if you want us to do research for you, ideate for you, script for you, edit for you, and also post for you, and also help you implement a content system to get you 5 to 15 extra clients within 90 days guaranteed, check out the first link in the description. It will take you to a video explaining what we do in more detail. If you want to book in a free call, be my guest. If not, completely fine. Keep on watching my free content. And if you're not ready for that yet and you want to get a free personal branding course, it's quite a long course, but it's very valuable, you can check out the second link in the description. It's going to take you to that free course. But I hope you got some value from this video. Subscribe, everything like that, because I post content like this at least 2 times a week. But again, I hope you got some value from this, and peace.